Welcome to Google Classroom online tutorial. Now let's see how to add new class. So when we have opened our classroom window, we'll just go to plus sign here and then click on to that. We have a create class option. We will tick on to this option and create a new class. Like if I want to create class 11th science section A and subject computer science, we'll create and a new class will be created in a while. It takes few seconds to create a class. The class is created. You can select a theme or upload photo for this by clicking on to select theme. You generally have certain themes which you can select on your own. Now if you want to give a classwork, we have different options like assignment, quiz assignments, question, material and other things. So if I give an assignment, I need to give a title. So I'm giving assignment 1 chapter 1. So instructions are optional. You can write that assignment are to be done on paper. Okay, and then we can give a add option. You can go to file link here, upload your file of assignment. Like if this is a assignment, and then you can click on to upload. Here you can assign a due date. Like if I want the assignment due date to be on 20th, and topic, you can create a topic for this. So you can just copy the same as title, or you can give a new topic and then assign. You can also give rubrics if you want, but that's optional. Now this assignment you will get on this 11th science post. Now what happens is you can give this code to one of your students who will open their own classroom, Google Classroom account, and will click on to plus and join class. The code which you have given to the students, they will post here and click on to join. Once they will join the class, they will get the assignment which is here, even on the left hand side and on the post side. So you will click on to that assignment there, and you can give the answer of your work from add or create. So you can click there, you can have links or file can be uploaded from your device, or if you write on plain paper, you can click a photo and update that file like this, upload, and your file is uploaded. Once you have uploaded the file and you think that your work is over, you can click on to turn in. That means you have submitted the assignment. Now you can go to teachers window and click on to view all. Once you have clicked on to view all, you can just see how many students have submitted the assignment. So you can just click here and see which student have given what, and then you can also grade here accordingly. You can just write 45 out of 100, so you can grade the student. You can also give learning materials. So you can just go to class 11 science, classwork, create, learning material. So here you will give the title, like you have learning material, and then you can have description like chapter 1. You can give it on top also title, so that you can just discriminate what all learning material. You can have add, and then the link of the YouTube. So if you have certain YouTube video, you can just have its link, to give the link of this YouTube video.
String
So I'll
function.
just go here, click on to share, copy, and then go to the YouTube link here, click on here and search that. Once I've got that, I'll click on, and that will be added. You can add more than one files also from here, like upload, and then you can post. Once you have posted this learning material, if I watch it from the student side, just refresh it, and I'm able to see the post from the student side. I will click here and then can watch this YouTube video as and when required.